Ah, la 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 la. Okay. Oh well, hello. Did you know that all the pretty girls walk like this, 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 this? Pretty girls walk like this, 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 this. You guys check out this very cheap. I guess one of the cheapest tripod I ever bought from TikTok. I'm sure it's also on Amazon. This was like $11, $10.99. I don't know. The link will be in my description box. And about $7 to $8 shipping. I think so. All right, let's check it out. This particular one is from TikTok. Look at that. I'm sure it's on Amazon too. Remote control, 2 fill lights, tripod, all this extra stuff. And you can buy this one by itself. That's the store name, Mosaicon. They have different colors. So I got a charging cord. I think user manual that I never use until I need something. The light, it's already on. The other light. And this tripod. So I'm 5'4" or 5'5", thereabout, and this is taller than me. And yes, I'm sweating, guys. It's 102 degrees outside, Fahrenheit. So that's it right there. Of course, remove your remote stick. You can charge it. C port charger or C mount charger. You can charge this part and this part too. So I say cheese. Okay, let's check this out inside. It's really hot out here. See, this is just the door light from far. That's what I was there. See, it was really sweating. Okay, so this is it. Back here, press it one time to get this one. 2, 3. The daylight in between the warm light and whatnot. 4, 5, 6. Okay. I don't have the energy to start counting how many. And then hold. Anyway, this is it. You can see it on my face. 1. 2. 3. I don't know why I'm holding this. 3. You can see it on my face. 4. 5, I think. And that. See? Alright. Mostly, this is just what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and connect my Bluetooth. Or just the remote to my Bluetooth. It's the name of the remote button for me. Leggy. So with this selfie stick, what I noticed is when you click the top, the right, let's say I'm going towards the left, so it changes the mode. Photo, video, this is towards the right. And then you go up, it's like a little remote thingy. Now, push down, brings it down. And when I click the middle part, it flips it to some mode. Left, right, and all that. And I click this music sign, It brings it back to, okay, to gallery, I guess. Then I can scroll through my gallery with my remote. Look at that. I can scroll through. Look at that. In this, what is this? Okay. This is the shuttle, the selfie, the camera button, camera shuttle. Then we'll bring it back to the camera though. So of course, we can use. You get the idea. I'm gonna go to the gallery with the remote. Oh no, that's the camera. This is the remote, the music sign. Take me to gallery. Next. The light is so far away. Look at that. It's so far away. I wonder why it's so bright in here. It's so far away. So far away. I wonder why it's so bright in here. So that's what I got. You get the idea. This is nice and very portable. Also, check this out. Because you probably want to get a picture, want to get a video, and then you need the lights to shine that way. Instead of a selfie, video, you want to use the back of a camera. So, like so. So you want to get that. So you want your lights shining on whatever you need to get. So you want your light shining towards that to get your video, whatever. You get the point. Like so. Ah, la, 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 la. Okay, video is too long. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.